I'm about to close this trade now. The 1 hour candle failed to close below the level I expected. Welcome guys to another video on my YouTube channel, and on today's video I want to be showing you the trades I took on my funded account. You know, the last video I made was the one I used it was on how I passed my phase 2. So I got my credentials for my funded account and I started trading. So now, as of today, of which I'm doing this video, it's already 1 week till I took my first trade, and let's see how it went. Today is Monday, Asian session, and today is 17th November. This is 1:38, and we are around almost 20 minutes away from Asian session opening. Now, this is what I was expecting of gold. I was, first of all, before market closed on Friday, I marked out this one here. I was like, okay, since we've had this strong bearish move to the downside, I'll be needing price to pull back to this zone, which is the support, or you can call it the higher low, before we sell downward. But it seems like price is not planning to get there. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because if I go up to the daily time frame, I can see this support here that failed to sell price when price was bullish. If you watch my video, you will remember this trade I took here, a sell and a buy. I think it was on a Monday. So this seems to now, Friday's candle has successfully closed below it, and now if I go down to the 1 hour time frame, I can clearly see this chart pattern here, a very clean chart pattern. So with what I'm seeing here, I would want either of two things to happen. One is, and these two things is what is going to guarantee me to sell from this daily zone now instead of this 4 hour zone I was expecting to sell from. Now, number one thing that might potentially make me sell from this daily zone is, one, this current 1 hour candle should close like this. Then the next candle that is going to open will push up to that same zone to retest it again. Then if I see a retest, I will go down to the 5 minutes time frame to get an entry, so that I will have a reasonable stop loss. I don't want to be having like 200. I don't want to having too much stop loss of 200 or something tips. So if this current 1 hour candle can close the way it is, like the length of it, where it is now, I'll be expecting the next candle to pull back to this same daily zone. It creates an entry candle for me on the 5 minutes, then I'll sell down. Or secondly, this current 1 hour candle will wick up, maybe close around somewhere here that is near the close to the zone. You understand? Why am I saying this? I'm trying to have a better stop loss, because as it is now, if I'm to enter this trade, my stop loss will be here, above this week here, this particular week. So I don't want to enter a trade that will be giving me 200 250 pips stop loss. It doesn't make sense. No, I can't do this. So I want that to happen before I can, sell. Let's see how it goes. My target is here. First target is here. Second target is here, and my third target is the daily level, the next daily zone, which is here. So let's see how it plays out. According to how I planned the trade, I'm in on this sell on gold from this daily zone here. So this is how it currently look as at now. Price is actually going in profit. I was swinging in profit, and my first area of interest is this zone here. I take profit, so I might close out here, and that place is giving me 430 pips. Although I didn't wait for my entry confirmation, so that's why I was able to get in at this zone, which is now playing out at a good advantage for me. Then my second take profit zone is this level, which is 609 pips, almost 610. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. As this trade is, if this trade is still valid, it's not supposed to come back to 4101.9 or 4101.2 rather. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yes. This is how it looks on my account. So technically, not even technically, actually, this is my first trade on my FUNDEDNEXT live account. I've taken this trade on every account I have possible, but for this video, I'm just putting enlightenment on my FUNDEDNEXT live account. I got the logins, and this is its FUNDEDNEXT evaluation account. So this is how the trade looks. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I also hope it plays out the way I want it to. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
If you go through my previous YouTube video, you see that I have traded a lot of 5k accounts, a lot of pro accounts, and I have literally filled them. So this is my first time to drawing profits, and there's nothing guaranteed in trading, and no matter how good the setup looks like, you might end up in a loss. So
okay, yeah, quick update on the trade. So price, the previous candle has closed below the zone. So you know what that means? I'm fucking holding this trade. We are dumping, guys. We are dumping. 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 So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it looks like on my MT5. On my MT5. On my MT5. Good money. Good money, guys. I'm holding. I'm holding this trade. The fact that this trade has closed below.
A few moments later.
I'm about to hit my first take profit level, and on that place I set my on my live account. That's where I set my take profit. So I'm almost hitting my this thing. So my plan for this other account, which is my funded account, is I want this current 1 hour candle to close below. What I mean is, I want this current candle now that's currently running. This current candle now, I want it to close below. If it fails to close below 40558, I'll close my trade on my FUNDEDNEXT live account, funded account, anyhow. I don't know how to call it, but anyways, I just wish market will just drop aggressively and take my take profit, so that I don't need to calculate too much. As it stands now, I have 120 people left. I don't know, but let's see how it plays out. This is how it looks on my FUNDEDNEXT funded account. I'm up 350.
A few inches later.
I want to close this trade now. Trade. So it's a 430 pips. I close at 420. What a sweet trade. Okay, it's refreshed. It's funny enough how I just took my first trade and now I'm up 6.6%. That's
So I'm a bit nervous because I've been wanting to take the trade, but like another trade get, but I'm like, I've already made my target, which is around already up 5% after even removing their own share, which is 20%, leaving me with 80%. I'm still going to make 5% of my account to myself. So I'm like, okay, this is 3 weeks now. 1 week is gone as of today because today is Sunday. So 1 week is gone and I'm left with 2 weeks to try and be patient for my first ever payout. Like I'm literally nervous, I won't lie to you. I'm happy, I'm nervous, I don't know how it will feel on that day because man, this is 2 fucking years, like 2 years of failure. I don't want to call it failure, but 2 years of rinse and repeat of doing the same thing over and over again. I don't know, there's this feeling. So I feel it's just wise I lost weight. So I'm happy. People ask me I'm just trying to stay neutral on kind of a way. It's a stepping stone for me, you understand? It's giving me that assurance that yes, I'm actually achieving something, I'm actually improving. Most importantly, I'm improving because the way I trade now compared to then, compared to 1 year ago, compared to even a few months ago, is different. I'm not scared of losses, I'm not scared of the outcome of any trade, no matter what. You get me? I've really improved over the months, like I can feel it. So this is kind of a proof of what has been going on during this period. So I don't know, I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to take any trade. Just left with 2 more Sundays to come. 2 more Sundays to come, man. So let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Just know that I'm also working on another account because I don't want to be idle during this period. So I got another account because I made some profit from my live account. So I was like, okay, since I already made profit on my live and my funded account, let me just get another challenge account and try and pass. You get me? During this period I'm going to just be idle. So I got another account and the account is currently sitting at 3% drawdown. Although that account went 7%, I don't just know how I started it, but that account just went from starting balance to minus 7% in just 2 days. But luckily, hopefully, I was able to recover part of the losses. I'm down. I closed the week as negative $3. I mean 3%. So let's see how it goes. If I can pass phase 1 within these 2 weeks that I'm waiting for my payout, it will be dope, like seriously. Because after, if I can do that, if I can achieve that, then I will now know that when my funded account is ready for another trading cycle, I'll be trading it and also looking forward to pass my phase 2 on this one I'm working on. But let's see how it goes. We all live in the house of God. But for now, waiting for that payout, bro. So see you in the next one.